Today, we're going to be transforming this old bike frame by repainting it and putting some brand new parts on it. I got this paint courtesy of Spray.bike. I'll tell you a little bit more about that paint as I spray up the first half of the frame. Now the paint comes out of the can in a consistency much closer to a powder rather than a liquid like all other spray paints. This practically eliminates little drips and runs and makes the paint dry in only 25 minutes. It is truly superior to a normal rattle can job. Now, does that make it worth the $16 price tag for just one can? I mean, you can get nearly 5 cans of cheap spray paint for that much. For me, the superior finish and application process was well worth it. In the camera, this paint looks a little orange, but in person it looks really nice and red. The paint definitely laid down super well and the finish looks great even without any clear coat. Now it's time to mask up for the second round of painting. Once again, it looks absolutely perfect. I made sure to add grease any place there was metal on metal contact. I did not want a stuck seat clamp or seat post. With the seat post installed, I no longer had to clamp it by the frame. I'm adding a liberal amount of grease to the headset. I'm not going to tolerate squeaks or creaks. Bottom bracket time. Of course, more grease, less squeak. Adjusting the BB took me an incredibly long time. Handlebar installation went flawlessly. Same for the cranks and chainring. I'd like to give a quick shout out to my patrons. They get special content, they get extra content, and they also get first views on videos almost up to a week early. A special shout out to Battle Whale and Bell for being my two current patrons. We're on to the final steps now. Just time to throw on those wheels. Those tires are gonna come off. A KMC gold chain and some nice grippy flat pedals. With that, we're done. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a like. If you really love what I'm doing here, feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.